Your teen's anxiety is running your house. You know which topics to avoid, which events are too much, which days you can push, and which days you can't. You check how they are before deciding if a plan can go ahead. You change the conversation when you feel the anxiety building. You stop doing some things altogether because it's easy, and somewhere along the way, your teen's anxiety started running your house. Not just their experience of it, your plans, your decisions. Not because you gave up, because you love them and you've been doing what any mom would do, and it's quietly exhausting. Here's what's going on underneath this. When your teen is anxious, their brain registers ordinary situations as dangerous, not uncomfortable, dangerous. That's what anxiety does. And when you change the situation to lower the distress, something gets confirmed. Not for you, for them. The message is the anxiety was right, the situation was too much, and the way to feel better was to avoid it. That's not what you intended to teach. But anxiety learns through what happens, not through what's said. Every time the plan changes, every time something is avoided, the anxiety gets a little more established.